Hello guys, welcome again. In previous video we have learned how we can declare or create a function and how function return multiple value in Go language. In this video we are going to learn how we can create a variadic function. Variadic functions means the variable number of arguments we pass to the function. So just see the example. We have a one function and I say sum, and here I am passing a nums dot int, and that is the return type is also int. So this function sum is a variadic function, and this num is the variable that will have variable number of arguments. You can feel that it is an array that will have the variable number of argument. If I pass 1 value, then it will get 1. If I pass 2, it will get 2. If I pass 10, it will get 10. So variable number of argument will be passed here, and this function is called a variadic function because this having a parameter in which we can pass variable number of arguments. So now how I can use it? I say for num, and just I use range and nums like this, and here with the help of this num I calculate the sum equal to s plus sum num, because we have to get the number. And what we do, I just create a variable first before the loop, and I pass 0 here, and I use this one like this, and now after the sum I just return the value, that is s. Now I call this function here, and I say the value, or I say result equal to sum. Here I am passing a 2 value only, and I just print this value, println, and I say sum of 2 number is equal to, and here I am passing the result. So you see, I just pass only 2 arguments, and if I run this one and I start to run, you see it is saying the result is 1. Why? Because it's 0, and in a num we will have the value, and we will return a sum. This is num, okay. Actually it is getting an index only. So what I should do, I have to get the value. So for that I have to pass like this, because this for loop will have the index only, but now it will get the value from the variable. You see the answer is 57 right now, because it is the range and it returns the value in index and then value. So we have the result. Now if I pass, you see the more argument like this, I just copy paste, and I just remove this one because cannot declare again variable, and here I pass 1 more value or 2 more value, 3 more value, whatever the sum of numbers are, and I save it and run it again, and you will see that we have the again the result from the same function. Again, if I want to increase the range, I can also increase whatever you want. Again I can get the same output. You see we have a good result. So that means in this function I can pass variable amount of arguments like this, maybe 1, 2, 3, 10 n number of argument I can pass here, because this function is called variadic function in Go language. So like this also we can create the arguments for a function, and we can use as per our requirement. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.